Alright, if you play solo guitar, 5 minutes feels like an eternity. So here we go, 5-minute timer running. Angeline the Baker. 1, 2, 3, 4. Seconds. so that's hard to do, right? So even if you only know one version of a song, I did a video like this years ago. I said, be a better guitar player in 5 minutes a day. And the idea was set a timer and just play the song for 5 minutes. You know, even if you only know one version of a song, if you do that for 5 minutes, your arm will start hurting. And it's a good pain. That's a pain that, you know, is building muscle and strength and making progress. And then if you're an improviser, you're going to run out of ideas about 3 or 4 times through. And then that's when, you know, mistakes start happening, and the mistakes create new ideas. Got a class coming up on how to play bass notes. On how to play bass notes in songs, in fiddle tunes. And there's a few different ways that I do that. So check out lessonswithmarcel.com to check out that class. And that's about that. So I was going to do